When most people think of side hustle apps, they think of Uber Eats and DoorDash. Well, I've been making money with apps that don't involve delivering anything at all. I've downloaded and tested every side hustle app I could possibly download, and most of them were a waste of time or not available in most areas. But a small few actually stuck and paid me, and I've been doing this for years. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact apps that I use and how to actually make money in each specific app. The first app is going to be Field Agent. This is my favorite app. This app and the other apps are in-store audit apps. It may sound complicated, but basically all you have to do is go there and take some pictures of things. So most of the gigs that you're going to see on this app are going to be the shelf view gigs. They pay anywhere between $3 and $6. And basically you have to take a picture of each 4-foot section of the shelf. Sounds like a lot of pictures. Once you've done a couple of these, it goes super quick and you could really stack up a lot of gigs in an hour, because a lot of times there'll be more than one of these at a store. There could be up to 10 or 15 at your local Sam's Club or BJ's. This works perfect if you're already out doing gig work, driving for Uber, doing DoorDash, and it's slow, or you ended up in a location that you haven't been to in a while. You could check for gigs there and make a lot more extra money. Also, you could do these on your way home from work. You could do them on your way. I guarantee you that you're passing by stores that have these gigs where you could have made money just by walking through. The next one is going to be Observa. It's much higher paying, but there's going to be a few gigs. They actually dropped a gig recently. There hasn't been any in a while, but it was $6 to go take a picture of some spice racks at the fresh market. It was fun and easy and paid $6 in about 5 to 10 minutes. Most of these ones that you're going to see are going to be merchandising. Just read them carefully. I don't recommend starting out doing the merchandising ones. Do the ones that are only photo audits and don't require you to interact with the staff. The next one is going to be Mobee. This one is different than the other two in the way that you get paid. The first two are cash. Field Agent is direct deposit into your bank account. Observa still uses PayPal, but it's cash into your PayPal. Mobee uses gift cards, but they have gift cards for basically anywhere. Target, Visa. So you could cash out the money, use it for gas, use it for groceries. My wife is really good at spending the Target gift cards. Same type of thing. These ones are going to have a few more mystery shops. So you go ask someone at the store a couple of questions, get recommendations on a TV. It'll get approved, and then you could cash out your gift cards. There's also going to be ones that are basically like photo audits, where you're going to go take pictures of certain displays. This one is more seasonal. So now that it's Easter season, a lot of gigs are popping off at every single supermarket, every single CVS, every single Walgreens. This app is where you're going to find the most gigs. I guarantee you, download this app, you'll see one within a couple of miles of where you are. And it's going to be super easy, pays within a couple of hours sometimes to a couple of days. But this is what most people mess up. They only do one of these, and then they complain that there's not enough gigs, not enough to keep them busy, or it's barely worth it. It's only really worth it if you do all three, and if you plan your route. A comment that I get on these videos is, oh, you made $3, but you probably spent $3 on gas or whatever. Well, that's because they're not taking route planning into account. There's a couple of ways to do it. One way is if you're doing this as like a side hustle and you want to make like $50 or $100 in a day, you could reserve the gigs for up to 4 hours on Field Agent. You could reserve them for up to 2 on Observa. Mobee has no reserve, but not a lot of people know about this app unless this video goes viral. And the gig will probably still be there when you're there. So look at all three apps and plan a route that you can make $50 with, make $100 with. Or if it's kind of slow, do your delivery apps and then reserve the odd gig here and there. And instead of waiting in Walmart parking lot for another DoorDash order, you could go in and make some actual money. And then also, same thing with delivery. There are some better stores to go to. So plan on going to Sam's Club, BJ's, and Costco the most. Walmart will have a lot too. And then a lot of times the dollar stores, there'll be a gig at every single dollar store. So by knowing what stores are good and what stores are quick, you can make a lot more money faster. The one thing that really increased my earnings on Field Agent is the simplest thing ever, and that's just refresh the app throughout the day. Field Agent will drop gigs all throughout the day. So if you're looking at it now and there's nothing, the next time you refresh, there could be more gigs than you could possibly do. So whenever I get a chance, I refresh it And some days are slow, some gigs are annoying. It's not going to be a full-time job, but these 3 apps could turn out to be a decent side hustle. And if you want to sign up for the apps, I'll leave links down below.